Tired of reports that show you way too much data or not enough? You set up a few filters, but you still can't seem to nail down that exact list of records you need. The problem is usually that your filters are working against each other instead of working together. Today, we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you how to combine filters with and/or logic in Salesforce so you get exactly the data you're looking for. No more guessing, no more exporting to Excel just to manually sort things out. We'll start by opening a report, then add multiple filters, and finally apply the logic that controls how those filters interact with each other. Let's dive in. So, first things first, head over to the Reports tab. It's usually in the main navigation bar at the top of your Salesforce screen. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the Reports homepage where you can see all your folders and recent reports. Now, find the report you want to work with. Maybe it's a case report, an opportunity report, or something you use every week. Click on it to open it up. You'll see the report run and show you the current data. All right, once the report is open, look for the Edit button. It's a drop-down menu button near the top right of the screen. Click it and then select Edit from the list. This opens the report builder where all the magic happens. When you're in the report builder, the first thing you want to look for is the Filters panel. It's usually on the left-hand side, right below the report preview area. Click on Filters to expand that section if it's not already open. This is where we control what data shows up. And here's where we start building. Look for the Add Filter button and click it. A new window pops up. This is where you choose the field you want to filter by. For this example, let's pick Case Owner. Click on it to select it. Now, you need to choose an operator. This tells Salesforce how to compare your data. So if you want to see cases owned by a specific person, choose equals. Or if you want to exclude someone, choose not equal to. Pick the operator that makes sense for what you're trying to find. Then, in the value field, start typing the owner's name. Salesforce will suggest options as you type. Select the right one. Go ahead and click Apply. You'll see your report update immediately, showing only the records that match that filter. Now, this is where most people stop, but we're just getting started. Let's add another filter. Click Add Filter again. This time, let's pick something different, like Case Status. Maybe you want to see only open cases. Choose your operator, pick the value, and click Apply. So now you have two filters. By default, Salesforce treats them as AND logic, meaning both conditions have to be true. But what if you need something more complex? Maybe you want cases owned by Sarah or cases that are high priority. That's where filter logic comes in. Add a third filter, let's say Case Priority. Set it to equals high and apply it. Now you have three filters. But right now, they are all AND, so it's only showing high priority cases owned by Sarah that are open. That might be too narrow. This is the really important part. Scroll down in the Filters panel until you see a section labeled Filter Logic. Click on it to expand it. You'll see a little text box with some numbers in it. Each filter you added has a number assigned to it. Filter 1 is your case owner, Filter 2 is Case Status, and Filter 3 is Case Priority. By default, it says 1 and 2 and 3. That's what we just saw. But you can type in something different. For example, if you want cases owned by Sarah, or high priority cases, and all of them must be open, you would type 1 and 2 or 3. But you have to be careful about order of operations, just like in math. The system reads from left to right unless you use parentheses. So if you want to group things, you can do something like 1 and parentheses 2 or 3. That means cases owned by Sarah that are either open or high priority. Give it a try. Type in your logic and then click Apply. You'll see the report results update instantly. Play around with this. It might take a moment to wrap your head around it, but once you see how the data changes, it clicks. Finally, once you have the logic exactly right, click the Save button at the top of the page. Then click Run Report to see your finalized data. From now on, whenever you open this report, it will use that same filter logic. You've moved from guessing and scrolling to commanding exactly what you see. And that is the entire game.